This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're making a delicious, simple chicken chow mein using 3-minute noodles. So I call this the 3-3-3 method of chicken chow mein. So you can make the whole chow mein in under 10 minutes. Simple, easy, and delicious. So let's get started. This is a 3-minute chow mein. I'm calling this the 3-3-3 method of cooking chicken chow mein. So everything takes 3 minutes. So I'm going to do my prep work. I'm going to cut the half an onion into small slices. I got 2 pieces of ginger I cut up, and then I have the chicken from roast chicken. So this prep work will take about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to boil the noodles for 3 minutes. And once you take it off, you're going to stir fry it for 3 minutes. So total cooking time is about 9 minutes. You can do the whole thing under 10 minutes. So that's why I call it the 3-3-3 chicken chow mein recipe. Put about 4 portions of this 3-minute chow mein in here. So I'm going to put 4. So I'm going to time it for 3 minutes. So just make sure the noodles don't stick together. I use tongs to separate the noodles. 3 minutes is up. I'm going to strain the noodles, run it in cold water just to stop the cooking. Ooh, quite a bit of noodles here. Just run it on cold water, so just to stop the cooking and rinse out some of the starches. So that should do it. So this wok is pretty hot, so I'm not going to turn it up any higher. I think it'll cook okay just with the medium heat. Just give the ginger a quick sear. Now I'm going to put the onions in. So half an onion chopped up. Oh boy! Wow, flip it wrong. Get stuck there. I'm going to put the noodles down. So I'm going to let the noodles sear. So now I'm going to turn on the heat to medium-high. You can go high if you like, but I think for this purpose, medium-high should be enough. Just to get a bit of a sear on the noodles. Another toss. So if you have chicken broth, you can use chicken broth. If not, use water. So I have here a chicken soup base. I put in a half cup of water, put a tablespoon of the chicken broth. So I'm just going to put the broth into the chow mein. So put a couple of tablespoons of this chicken man soy sauce, like a low sodium. And I like oyster flavor sauce. That's my favorite sauce. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons in there. So I have some chicken here from a roast chicken. So there's about maybe 3 ounces there. Put that in. I'm gonna put a handful of this Asian style vegetables in there just to give it the chow mein some color. So you want your noodle a little bit darker. This is dark soy sauce. So you can put a tablespoon in there if you like, just to darken the noodles. If you don't mind lighter noodles, you don't need it. So I use avocado oil, but you can use any kind of oil you like. So just to shine up the noodles before you take off the noodles, put about maybe a tablespoon of cooking oil. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. So you can use tongs if you want to separate the noodles. Make sure the soy sauce is coated. Make sure the oyster sauce is coated. Use tongs. Oh, look at those noodles, look at those noodles. Oh, look at that, look at that. So there you have it. My version of 3-minute chicken chow mein using the 3-3-3 method. So you can make this delicious chicken chow mein in under 10 minutes. Enjoy. So I like these noodles, they're pretty firm, even when you put broth on it. They don't break down. Sometimes when you put the noodles in the broth, they break down. They get mushy, but these ones stay firm. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button.